we are going to debate on online learning versus offline learning. Which one is better? So first of all, I will ask you one by one. Okay. So start with Aradhya. What do you think?
I think online classes is best
Why do you think so?
because we can join. We are warming in fever, so we can't go to school. So we can join online classes at home, and we can rest at home, and we are listening.
Yeah, he is right. For example, if we are ill, then we don't need to go to school, and we can join online classes from home. So, what do you want to say about this?
Okay.
Do you want to cut his point?
Yes, I want. And if we are ill, so we have a need to take rest, but we don't need to take on study about tension about study.
Yeah, he is right. If you are ill, then how can you take online classes? He is right. What do you think?
But we can do study by our comfort in online class.
Speak more.
And I think online class is best because in online classes we can do study anywhere, and in online classes we can see the lecture again and again. If anyone didn't join the classes, then you can see later, and we can read any subject by our choice in online classes, and if and in online classes we can gain any knowledge. But we can't do this in online.
Baki, there is a light, okay? So you don't need to worry about the light.
In online class we can gain any knowledge, but we can't do this in offline class because the teacher will teach just his subject, not any more subject will teach.
Okay. So do you want to cut his point? What do you want to say?
Sir, he say we are in tension, in fever, we are ill. So we can record the online class, and we feel comfortable. So we can see the video.
He is saying that if we are ill, then we can record the session, we can record the video, and as we get better, then we can see the lesson, or then we can watch the lesson. What do you want
Okay,
to say?
so when we will get means better, so we can ask to our teachers what did they explain.
Okay, now what do you say?
I don't want to.
Sir, what was the question?
The question is that what do you support, online classes or offline classes?
I support offline classes because if I talk about some theoretical subjects like maths and science, you don't solve questions in front of teacher, and in online classes no one is there to tell you that whether your answer is correct or not.
I want to cut this point.
His point.
Sir, there are many apps to solve questions, like maths questions and some other subjects. There are many books apps. We can learn by these apps, like Vedantu and some other apps. Then we are not. We cannot. We cannot. We cannot.
Okay, tell me. Okay, tell me what kind of problem did you face while taking online classes? You have took online class. You have taken online classes in COVID-19 period. So, what kind of problem did you face? Did you take online class?
I have taken online class for 2 times, and I think there are no much problems, but I think there is a problem which I had faced, that there is a poor quality of video, and that disturbs our concentration, and I think this is the problem, or not so much.
Okay. So, what kind of problem did you face, Astha?
While taking online classes, sometimes we take network issue and we can't listen the voice, the teacher of voice clearly.
So what do you think? Which one is best?
In my opinion, offline class is best.
Why do you think so?
Because we can't develop ourselves in front. We can't develop ourselves at looking at the screen. We have to consult with everyone. If we have to consult with everyone, we should get everyone ideas so we can develop.
So in what way development means? I'm not.
We can develop our speaking skills and we can take someone else's ideas to improve ourselves.
So okay, Aarti, did you take online classes?
Yes, I take online classes.
So what kind of problem did you face?
Some network problems, issues, and
So whenever when you took your online classes at that time, did you learn what the teacher is teaching at that time? What was teacher teaching? Were you waiting or not?
yes, sir, I learned some things and I didn't learn some things because maths. So sir explained me maths, so I didn't understand.
So in which subject you have got difficulties in which subject?
Some maths.
Only in maths. Okay. What do you think, sir? Okay.
I support offline learning because offline learning is a is environment that can the student can improve their manners, discipline in school. If we take online classes, there is a phone front of us and they can hamper our eyes and health also, and we have face mental issues, and the student in offline learning, the student develops manners and personality and thoughts of other friends, and they enjoy school than online learning.
Okay. So from Aradhya to Jatin and from Ritik to Asta, you guys will support offline learnings and you guys will support online learnings. Okay. So are you ready? So we are going to have a debate on online learning versus offline learning. Which one is better? So you guys are supporting online classes, and you guys are supporting offline classes. Okay. So are you ready for that? Okay. So start with online classes. You are supporting online classes. Nishi. Don't want to say anything. Okay. Continue.
Okay. In online classes, in online classes we have so many kinds of advantages. Like because of now COVID-19 pandemic, now our offline classes has stopped because we are not able to go in schools. So we can, in this situation, we have, means it's a so good platform to study.
So from here, who wants to speak? Okay.
And now coronavirus is under control, so we can go to school and coaching also. So we don't need to take online classes because they hamper our eyes and health issues, and parents insist to students that they go to school for learning, because online mobile phones because school were open.
So he wants to say that if you take online classes, then definitely your health will affect, and also your parents will insist you to go to school, not to join online classes. So what do you want to say? Because the situation is under control. So I am not saying that online classes is best or offline classes is best. You just need to tell us that right now there is no coronavirus, means there is no coronavirus, no, there is no lockdown, schools are open, coaching classes are open. So in what ways, in which ways we can use online platforms, online study platform to improve ourselves? For example, if I have a talent, I am a good dancer. For example, he is a singer, and there is no singing classes, and there is no, there is no audition, happening for the singing. So he wants to, if he uploads video on social media, so he may get famous. So what do you think about this? Krishna Gopal. About what did I say? You need to answer that point.
So, can you repeat your question?
Okay. Did you listen?
Yes.
Okay.
So you said correct. Means online platforms are so good. So and he also can join means challenges, some challenges, and he can viral. So means I think in this case we means offline platforms are not good.
Yes. In this case, online platforms are not good. Now, who wants to speak? Lagan. You.
So I just want to say this:
Take it.
the biggest thing in our life is discipline, and we can't learn it by online classes.
He is saying right that in our life if we want to get success, if we want to reach the peak of success, then we must have discipline. If we are not disciplined, then we cannot get success. So I'm not saying, he's saying. So don't oppose me.
So the student will be disciplined when it will be alone. A lonely student can be developed good than the offline study, because he is more disciplined. He's more disciplined in when he was when he is alone, because no one can disturb him, and he will be fully disciplined. Have you heard my point? So I'll repeat. So I think a student who is alone is fully disciplined, because there is nobody to disturb him, and he can concentrate fully and be fully concentrated on his studies.
So he is right. He is right that if you want to have discipline within yourself, then you don't need these are just excuses that if you are studying online, then you will not get disciplined. You will not be a disciplined person, and if you are studying offline, then you will not be a disciplined person. So it totally depends on you. It's up to you that whether you want to be a disciplined person or not. Who wants to speak from your team? You.
If a student is alone, so he can depressed alone, because if he alone and he get mobile, and they don't go coaching school, and the student can depressed.
It depends on student's nature.
So student, if you have mobile, so how will you use, means how?
I think 90% of students have mobile at that time.
If you want to speak, then use it, because your voice will not be.
There are 90% of mobiles. Students have mobiles. Every student have mobile, because it is a great need of mobile for education and for online studies. And if you are talking about that, if a student is alone, then he will misuse the mobile. Then it depends on a student's nature and students how much student like to study. If he likes to study, and then he will not misuse the mobile. Anyone wants to cut my point?
but 90% of the people don't know the productive use of mobile. But if I say that 90% of the people don't know the productive use of mobile. Productive means they just use some distractive and addictive apps.
I said it depends on a student. How much student like to study. If the student does not like to study, then none of the world's power can force him.
What if he will do anything by mobile, but if he will do everything by mobile, then it can affect his health badly.
Give it to me. Now. So there are second. You will cut. Continue. You can put your points, new points. If you want to add new point, you can. Okay. You don't have words? You can hand over your mic to another.
In online classes, we can repeat some chapters and we can repeat some chapters and some topics. And we are in offline classes in school and in college. We can't say to sir repeat this question because there are not only one person. There are many students. So they learn. They get the topic, but I can't get the topic. So they say to sir, don't explain again.
Are you getting his point?
Yes.
You are getting. Can you explain it?
I can explain it, but not. I can explain. He wants to say that if you don't understand what is sir studying, means sir. Yes, sir is doing math problem, solve math problem, and you can't understand. You can't get understand the what is this and what is this. Then many students have understand it, and many students don't understand. Then that whose student have understood that how can we solve it, then they will speak that don't explain him and him. Not
I can explain. Aradhya said that if you are in offline classes, so you are not getting some topics, so you can not repeat again and again.
You may ask your teacher again.
No, but other students' time has spent.
No, his duty is to understand you.
I think he is my.
but many
Means-
students can't
but
speak.
other students' time has spent. If we will understand by online, so we.
So let me explain. So he wants to say that there are 40 students and we have 40 minutes as a period. 40 we have a 40 minute of a period. So if we clear doubt of each student, then definitely we have to give 3 minutes to each student to explain. So it's not impossible to clear all the students' doubts in a offline classes. Do you want to say this? Yes. Okay.
I think if anyone wants to join offline classes, his much time will be spent on reaching the places where he wants to study by facing the teachers. And I think this disturbs the whole routine of. This disturbs the daily routine of the student to reaching the schools and places where he wants to study. And I think there is this is not happen. These are not happen with online classes. You need not to spend your time. You can join your online classes and can study in a few minutes, and you can prevent your much time, and this will definitely.
He wants to say that you can save your time in online classes, but if you go if you go for offline classes, then you have to spend much time. For example, if you are from your house, if you are living in Binagan, then if you are going to your school, then the 15 minutes to go to reach your school, then 15 minutes to reach your home, from your school to home. So it will waste your time. But in online classes, you don't need to give any time. You just need to just need to press some buttons, and you have your online class in front of you. What do you want to say about this online class?
Sir,
Online class, you are supporting online class.
I want to say that online classes is better than offline class because online classes student study with their peace, and online classes is eco-friendly. But in offline classes use papers for using cutting trees, and we can also study by other countries foreigners by online, and we can, if any older person they wants to study, then he also join online classes. But in school he don't want to go to school because he feels shy. In online classes he join online classes.
So I'm completely agree with Jatin's point, because he said that in online classes you can take classes from the teachers from abroad. Okay, and also if any old age person wants to go to school, if he is illiterate and he wants to go to school, but in reality he cannot go to school because he will feel embarrassed. So that's why he will not go to school. But if he join the classes, online classes, then there is no person to there is no one to whom he will shy, or he will feel embarrassed. So that is a very good point you said. And also you can take online classes from the best teacher of the world. You want to say? Do you want to say? You want to say?
In online classes, we can study any subject by
You are supporting offline classes.
by us choice.
What did you say? Why are you laughing?
He is supporting online class.
You are supporting online classes. No. You are in a offline classes. You are going to support offline classes. Okay.
Yes, I say
You are supporting online classes or offline classes?
online classes.
You are supporting online classes.
I say in online classes we can study any subject.
Offline classes, not online classes.
Sir, online classes. Yes, sir. Sir, I say right point.
Next.
Sir, he said that
Make a difference. There is no difference. You are looking like that. Continue.
sir, he said that
Continue.
he said that offline classes are eco-friendly, but I want to say that online classes you also have to make your own notes. Paper will also use in. What? He said that.
We can also notes on Microsoft.
Please keep it, because I need to.
We also use in phone Microsoft Office, and we can also make notes in mobiles. We don't need to use papers, and we don't need to use pencils, pen and pencils also.
Okay. Give this mic to Nishi. Nishi, hand over this to Nishi. So Nishi, you have to speak whatever you listen or understand. Just speak. 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 You cannot speak. So if you will not speak, then how can you learn? Are you getting? समझ में तो आ रहा है जो भी आपको पढ़ा है, मतलब चल रहा है यहाँ पे, तो स्पीक करो ना, उसको बोलो तो सही, यू नॉट एबल टू स्पीक, ओके। to Asta.
Just to give.
Oh, Ajay is also there. Okay, continue.
Okay. According to me, offline class is better than online class because if we can't motivate by online class, we feel laziness, and in online class there is teacher force us to study, or in online class we feel laziness, and we can't motivate.
And but in online study we can also see animated video, those are so entertain.